So hello everyone, so let's talk about enabled and disabled element in SwiftUI. How to enable and disable element in SwiftUI. So SwiftUI let us disable any part of its form. SwiftUI let us disable any part of its form or even the whole form all by using the disables modifier. I'm going to apply on this modifier. We're going to use the disable in the forms by using disable modifier. So first of all we're going to get on this command N, and which have a SwiftUI view. This is a SwiftUI view. Disabled form example, disabled form example. We're going to get on the disabled form which have form. And first of all we're going to get on the state property. We're going to according to the state property, suppose in this we're going to state property, we're going to get on the first state private var. Suppose this is enabled profile enable profile option which is type of bool and is equal to false. In this value is equal to false, and we're going to create on the next property on this same property. Next the same property on this next property. In this property state private var enabled, but not is this show image. In this property name on this show image, show profile image, in this show profile image. Okay, and first of all we're going to create on this form, and we're going to create on the first section. Suppose in this first section we're going to create on the first section, this is a toggle. We're going to create on this toggle, and which have a toggle value. This is a configured enable profile options. This is a enable profile options, and we're going to apply on this to comma is on method. We're going to bind on this property enabled option. We're going to bind on this toggle. So in this we're going to apply on this canvas in SwiftUI. So in this section we're going to open your toggle. We're going to resume on this application, show on this toggle, and we're going to create on this next section. So in this next section we're going to apply on this button. This is the enable button. We're going to create on this enable button. So this is the action and label, and we're going to create on this label. We're going to create on this text, assign on this text in this button, and in this button apply on this in this text press show profile. So on this press show profile, and we're going to apply on this property press show profile. Suppose we're going to apply on this font. This is the headline, and we're going to apply on this font weight. This is the bold, and we're going to apply on this but not apply on this old property, but not in this property. We're going to apply on this color is red. This is the red color used on this property, and in this we're going to apply on this button show image is equal to show profile image is equal to true. And so it not apply on this true, but not apply on this toggle. In this apply on toggle is the on and off of true and false, true, false and true in this toggle property. And we're going to create on this another section. So another section we're going to apply on this if condition, if show image enabled options, show in profile image otherwise true. We're going to create on the fish tag, and we're going to create on this image, and we're going to create on this image. In this image suppose we're going to apply on this t image, and we're going to apply on this property dot resizable. We're going to apply on this resizable on the image. When we're going to apply on this frame on this, suppose this is 200 width and 200 height. Remove on this alignment in this image, and we're going to apply on this corner radius on this image. In this corner radius suppose this is 12.0, and we're going to complete on this. We're going to apply on this spacing on the wish text. Suppose this is 10 spacing, 10, and we're going to apply on this in this button. We're going to apply on this section. We're going to apply on this, not apply on this section of, and in this is a section of. Okay, and this section of we're going to try again on this application. So try again. We're going to check on this error. So extraneous is extra, and we're going to check on the form. Okay, correct in this form. Okay, and in this property we're going to resume on this application. So press enable profile options. Sorry, not apply on the disable. So we're going to apply on the disable modifier in this button. And apply disable modifier dot disable. We're going to apply on the disabled. Sorry, we're going to apply on the disable modifier. And we're going to bind on this property. Sorry, enable profile options, and we're going to apply on this control is equal to false. We're going to apply on this condition. Enable option is equal to false. So this is a disable, but otherwise enable. We're going to run on this applications. So we're going to press on this enabled options, enable profile options. Not apply on this disable. Not apply on this disable. So we're going to check on this error, but is removable, toggleable. Suppose in this button, not use on this in this button, and we're going to use of suppose in this button and press section. We can command X. We're going to apply on this press sections and remove on this label, and we're going to apply on the disable modifier. We're going to zoom down on this application. This is the disabled. So enable, we're going to apply on the disable on this button. We're going to type in enable. This is enable. This is disable, enable. This button is press profile. This is disable and enable. So in this today I am going to discuss about enable and disable element in the form. In this form, use of enable and disable element in the form. So we're going to type in this press on show profile. This is show profile. So we're going to apply on this, not apply on this text. Suppose in this wish tag, and we're going to apply on this text. So such as text is Risalat Sadiq. Okay, and we're going to run on this application. This is show profile. So this is text visible. We're going to apply on this text properties, font, large title. We're going to apply font weight. Suppose this is a heavy, and we're going to apply on the font color. This is a green color. Okay, we're going to show on this toggle. Press on the button. These are text. We're going to apply on this form. So in this form, SwiftUI let us disable any part of its form. Disable any part. This is a disable modifier. We're going to apply any part is form, or even the whole form, all by using the disable modifier in SwiftUI. So thank you for watching this. You can enjoy my channel and like my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. So thank you for watching this video.